मंदिर श्री मोर बिहारी जी, मोर कुटी। राधे 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 राधे। राम राम जी। चकाचक चकाचक चकाचक। राधे राधे। Okay, so we are here in Mor Kuti Mandir।
बोल बांके बिहारी लाल
की जय।
राधे राधे
राधे राधे। जय हो जय हो जय हो जय हो। So this is Mor Kuti, Mor Bihari Ji Mandir. So uphill in Barsana, up in Barsana Hill. So we are in Barsana. So this Barsana Hill, it has 4 peaks, huh? Like 4 summits. Those 4 summits or peaks, it represents the 4 heads of Brahmaji. Yes, Brahmaji, Lord Brahma. So this Barsana Hill is the hill incarnation of Brahma. Huh? Brahmaji performed 4,000 years of tapasya. Then finally Krishna was pleased. So Krishna gave him the boon because Brahmaji desired to witness the childhood pastimes of Radha and Krishna, especially Srimati Radharani. So Krishna Ji, he placed Brahma here in Braj as Barsana Hill. So this Barsana Hill is the hill incarnation of Lord Brahma, Brahmaji. On my backside or background is the Mangar, and we are here in Mor Kuti. So Mangar, or in this spot, this is the place or the spot where Srimati Radharani, when she is exhibiting or manifesting her man lila. Again, man means like anger, transcendental anger or sulking, huh? So when Radharani, when she was sulking, she will come here alone. She doesn't want anyone, she doesn't like anyone to disturb her. So she doesn't want to be with Krishna, so to speak, huh? That's why she comes here alone on the top of Barsana here, especially in Mangar. And Krishna Ji, from the bottom of the hill, he will climb here and he will try everything to pacify Radharani. Huh? He will do everything. He will bow down to Radharani's lotus feet. He will wash the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani by his own tears. Huh? But Radharani, she won't budge an inch. She won't even try to look on Krishna. Huh? She will turn her face against Krishna. Then Krishna will move to the other side. Then Radharani will move her face on the other side. So in this way, Radharani won't even talk or look on Krishna. So Krishna, after attempting all the tricks or whatever attempts, he tried everything just to pacify Radharani. Then again, he returned down at the bottom of the hill. So he even begged Lalita and Visakha and other friends of Srimati Radharani to help him in order to pacify Radharani. But the Sakis, they will come here they will come here and they will try their best. But still, Radharani won't make any friendship to Krishna. She won't talk back again to Krishna. Then again, Krishna would come here. So finally, on this spot, this Mor Kuti, Mor means peacock. So when Krishna returned on this place, Krishna, in order to try to pacify Radharani, Krishna danced like a peacock. Huh? So Krishna, he tried his best. He was dancing so elegantly like a peacock. Then Radharani, she was attracted to Krishna's dancing. Then she forgot his mood of being angry with Krishna. And Radharani also started dancing. So both Radha and Krishna, the divine couple, Radha Madhava or Radha Shyam, they dance together like peacock. And they transform themselves into peacocks. And they dance so beautifully. And all the peacocks around here in Barshana, they gather around to see Radha and Shyama Sundar dancing together like peacocks. Delighted. So that's why this place derived from this peacock dancing lila of Radha and Krishna. So it was called Mor Kuti. Mor means peacock, and Kuti is like a small cottage, a small hut. So there is a temple here. It is called Mor Bihari Ji Mandir. So on this temple, there is one picture of Radha and Krishna dancing like peacock. So around not more than 100 years ago, it's just recently, during the time, 100 years ago, there was a blind saint living in this place, here in Mor Kuti, on this spot. And this saint, he was always absorbed or meditating on this pastime of Radha and Krishna, dancing like peacock. So for every day, the whole day, he was always meditating on this pastime. Until one day, Radharani, she appeared in the dream of this blind saint. And Radharani told him, she told this saint to paint, to paint this pastime of Radha and Krishna dancing together like peacock. So other people or other devotees could also relish this pastime, so they could also see it. But this blind saint, he told Radharani, I am blind, so how could I paint it? How could I gather the materials? Radharani told him don't worry, See, he shouldn't worry about it. That Radharani would arrange everything for him, whatever materials he would be needed. He would need to paint, and so Radharani, she would give the divine vision in order for him to paint this pastime. So after some time, the blind saint managed to get the materials, the paint and some paper and the brushes. So he started painting. So he got the vision from his heart. This pastime manifested, and he managed to paint this pastime of Radha and Krishna dancing together like peacock. And this original painting, same painting of that blind saint, is still here in the altar of Mor Bihari Mandir. Wow! So, because of his love of this pure meditation on this pastime, Radharani gave him a vision in order for us to see this pastime of Radha and Krishna dancing like peacock. Mor Bihari Lal Ji Ki Jai. So that's why this place is called Mor Bihari or Mor Mandir. Mor means peacock. And that mandir at my back is the Man Bihari Mandir. So that is the place where Radharani would stay alone because she was so angry with Krishna. So she will always come here if she is in a man mood to perform their walking and heading to the other temple. So this is Barshana Hill. This is the eternal home of Srimati Radharani. This is the playground of Srimati Radharani. Radhe, 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 Radhe. Okay, so this Barshana is the eternal home of Srimati Radharani. This is where she lives. This is where her father's kingdom is located. The palace of Rishabhanu Maharaj. This is their home, Barshana. So Srimati Radharani, she would always she will always play here and perform his childhood pastime. So this Barshana Hill is full of Madhurya Leela. We have a Rasa Mandap here, where they perform the Rasa Leela dance on the Bilasgar, on the other peak. So these trees are called the Kalpa Vriksha trees. They witness the childhood pastime of Srimati Radharani. So we are approaching the temple of Dan Bihariji. So this temple of Dan Bihari, it is connected to the tax collecting pastime of Radha and Krishna with the cowherd boys and cowherd girls. Because Krishna, he will always disturb Radharani and the gopis. They will always block their way. They won't allow them to pass by unless they would pay tax to Krishna and the cowherd boys. So they would always harass the gopis. They would ask for the butter, for the yogurt, for the sweets. Then the gopis, Radharani, she became fed up. Radhe Radhe.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So they were all fed up about these naughty tricks of Krishna and his friends. So one day they ambush Krishna and the cowherd boys. There were thousands of gopis. So they surrounded Krishna and all the cowherd boys, and they couldn't do anything. So the gopis, they tied the cowherd boys to the trees and hung them in the trees. Radhe Radhe. And the gopis, they tied Krishna's hand, and they wouldn't let him go unless he surrenders to Radharani, and unless he promised that he won't disturb again Radharani and the gopis. So Krishna, he was humiliated and he was defeated by the gopis. Then the gopis, they changed the dress of Krishna with sari and make Krishna like a cowherd girl. They put bangles. Krishna, he was wearing a sari and he has bangles He has bangles on his hand. Jai Dan Bihari Lal ki.
Jai.
Jai ho, Jai ho. So this is the deity of Dan Bihari. So Krishna he has no flute. And he is wearing bangles. This is the pastime. This temple is dedicated to this pastime. And Lalita and one of the gopis, they put the yogurt pot on the head of Krishna, yogurt clay pot. Then Lalita Saki, she was standing on the top of the hill. She threw a stone on the pot, and the pot broke, and all the yogurt spilled out in Krishna's body. And the gopis, they laughed so hard, and Krishna really was humiliated. The gopis kept on laughing and laughing. So in this way, they have their revenge against Krishna and all the cover boys. So this temple is called Dan Bihari Ji Mandir, dedicated to that pastime of Radha and Krishna. Jai ho, Dan Bihari Lal ki jai.